Hello, A-Fam from Rovaniemi, Finland. I'm Josh.
And I am Ashley. Welcome to the Way. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, give us a like, and hit that bell so you can follow more of our Nordic adventures.
We are continuing our Nordic summer series. We are here in Rovaniemi, Finland, and today we are learning to survive in the wilderness of Lapland.
We got our little nice little buffs.
Yeah,
We're ready for going out into Lapland and figuring out how to survive out here. It is going to be an adventure. I've been really looking forward to this. Our nice little guide Byron is going to be showing us what we need to do to survive. First off, try to catch some fish.
So thanks to the Rovaniemi Tourism Board and Safartica who is putting on this tour, we are really excited to go. Let's go.
This is like Beer Grills with Josh and Ashley.
Yeah, except for like way more extreme.
We might die.
Yeah, we'll probably die.
This is our guide Byron right down here. He's getting the worms out for us because I have to put a little worm on my hook right here.
We're starting out with fishing because we heard that if we don't catch fish, we don't get food.
Yeah,
survival.
Byron said he's gonna survive. He's gonna starve us today if we don't catch fish. So this is like.
This is surviving in Lapland, so no fish.
He's hardcore. If we die, it's Byron's fault. Ooh, so squiggly. Okay. My dad, growing up, would take us fishing, and if we can put the little worm on the hook, then he would get really mad. Like, he wouldn't get mad at us. We wouldn't be able to catch a fish. So I always learned how to do it, and this is probably disgusting. So guys, don't watch.
One of the things that is really cool about Finland, and I'm sure like Norway and Sweden as well, this whole area, is there's an everyman's right, meaning that you have a right to forage and live off the land to an extent. So fishing like this can be done without a license if you use a simple piece of wood and a simple string and a simple lure. You can't have like a reel or anything. Basically any technology beyond a string and a stick, you need a license for. So, you know, if you can live off the land doing this, that's totally legal, even without a license in Finland.
And you can do it in private properties as well as government properties, but I would suggest staying in the government properties.
Yeah.
Probably the same one.
Oh my gosh.
Ashley set the camera.
That looks so cool.
Be careful, they have some spikes on the back.
Ashley set her pole down to grab the camera because I caught a fish. And then she caught one when she set her pole down.
It's been 5 minutes. We're gonna survive. We're so good at this. Josh, I was trying to make Josh look cool because he caught one and then he got away, but somehow.
Is this even big enough to eat?
I don't know. Do we throw this guy's back?
We eat them.
Oh,
They are not growing more than 2 centimeters.
Oh, these are their size.
That's
Okay.
the perch, yeah.
It's perch.
Yep.
Look at him. Yes. Dinner.
Oh, our last one. We have 2 fish each. Byron, if you'll do the honors, he has the gloves on.
We literally have had so much luck. We could see the fish following our hooks. It was awesome.
Perfect. I still have a worm here. I could catch a bonus fish.
Well, if you want.
You want to see how fast this is? Okay, let's watch how fast this is to catch a fish. This is the same worm, bonus fish. Here we go.
Somehow we got so lucky, and they're all just hanging out right here by the pier.
All right, I can literally see them.
We can see them through the water.
And, oh, he bit. Oh, he took it. He took it.
There's so many just right down in here. I don't think you guys can see them, but we can see their shiny little buddies.
All we know is we got 6 fish, 2 each. We're gonna survive today.
Yeah, within what? How many?
15 minutes, maybe 20.
Amazing. Survival tip number 2 is when in Finnish Lapland, be sure to know that there are swamps everywhere. This area is swampy, so if I pass from here, this is regular earth, into there, I would sink and get super, super wet. It's pretty much just a layer of land on top of the water, just floating there.
And you can kind of tell if you keep an eye out, the bushes stop right about where the terra firma, or the firm terra, stops. If you need to get across it, you can throw down a log, or a plank if you have something like that, or lay down flat and crawl.
Actually, that's the craziest thing, is that you can get across it. You just need to have like something firm on it, and it can hold you. That kind of blows my mind, but yeah, just be careful, you know, when you're stuck in Finnish Lapland.
You know, for when all the times that happens. Yeah.
We've graduated to round 2. A pellet gun?
Yeah.
Is it a pellet gun?
Yep.
Yeah. And we're gonna shoot a Finnish chicken. I think that is a black grouse, actually. And we have it on this little board right here. He's gonna put it far away from us, and then I'm gonna have to try and shoot it. Actually, I haven't really done this before, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I think Josh might be.
I mean, I literally grew up with pellet guns, so.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see who does the best. I think we're pretty even at fishing. Now, the challenge is on. Okay, you can stop. Right there. Just set it down right there. Why is it going so far away? Oh my gosh. Number 1 rule, don't shoot me.
We are considering proper gun safety. Finger off the trigger until I've covered what I'm ready to destroy. Gun barrel pointed away. Safety on. Safety off. I'm ready.
Okay, first shot of the day.
Okay. I mean, I hit something. We'll see.
Are we supposed to run up there and see?
Yeah, let's go find out.
Okay. Is there a hole somewhere?
Right here.
Wow.
So, I'm totally accurate. It just shoots a little down into the right.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes, you know, the calibration of the gun is a little off sometimes.
Yeah.
So.
I'm sure it'll be off somewhere over there for me.
Yeah. The total opposite of my calibration.
That sounded pretty good.
I flinched though, because it's just noisy. So
do one more.
I reacted. Well, I don't know which one that was, so we gotta find out. Basically the same spot. So in fact, it truly is shooting down into the right, because I am dead center when I'm aiming that thing. So now Ashley knows, point up and to the left.
Yeah, like that's gonna help me.
Yeah, well, you know, you got this.
So if you aim here, you will shoot them straight there.
So maybe to the right is because I'm pulling.
Probably yes. If you are pulling from the right side,
Yeah.
it's because they're moving it.
So it seems it shoots just a tiny bit high for the most part. It's actually me that's flinching to the right. So. Yeah.
He's dead.
Yeah, he did.
You did it.
Ash's turn.
Put it down. Don't be afraid. Like this. You take it
Okay, okay.
and you open it and then you just close it, okay?
Pop it down. Pop, drop, and lock it. Pop, drop, and then do I put something in?
Yeah, you're gonna need a pellet.
Yep.
Boop, boop.
Now close it.
Pop, drop, and lock it.
All right. Just be relaxed and just squeeze the trigger and breathe out when you squeeze. And then just let it surprise you. Hey, you hit the board.
Let's see.
We'll see.
What were you aiming for?
His head.
You were aiming for his head?
Neck. On the outside ones.
No.
Wait, is this you? Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Right there.
Ah.
So you're aiming for the head and you got
Holy smokes.
his tummy.
But at least I hit him a little. It's
Yeah.
in the black.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, all right. I don't know what I'll do different next time, but maybe I'll get closer.
It's really tough. You got to really pull it. There you go. Oh, you hit it again. What were you aiming for this time?
The bullseye. I think it's
Okay.
easier for if I aim for that, we can see it. If it hit it. Oh, please be in the black. Please.
I mean, it definitely hit the board, but we're not seeing any new holes.
It's hard to say. I definitely did not hit it in the
bullseye area.
black part.
But you hit the board.
I did hit the board. We heard it smack. I don't like not being good at things. So like I want to do it till I can get it.
Yep, you
At
keep
least
trying.
in here area.
Listen, if we don't catch this black chicken, grouse, whatever you call it, we're gonna starve. Yeah.
All we have is chicken strips. Oh, not chicken strips, fish fingers.
We are now learning
Not
to make
all
a
of them,
fire
but
with
that
nothing
one.
but a flint and a knife.
So we're taking off the bark of the tree because it catches on fire pretty easily. We're using a magnesium stick and I have to make sparks. And then hopefully the bark will catch on fire and then we can add the pieces of wood. What I'm supposed to do is just make these little divots in this wood.
Nice.
I'm doing it.
You got it now.
We just need to split them a bit, so it's a bit easier for them to take the fire. Okay?
Sounds good.
When you have few of them, you do like this, okay?
So Ash is now getting a little bit of like this tree fuzz to be the fire starter little spot there.
No,
Whoop.
you need to be closer.
Oh, without destroying it?
Almost touching it without destroying
Oh my gosh.
So far, the number one survival tip we've learned in Finnish Lapland is to bring DEET or off, whatever you can find, because there are so many mosquitoes, and we're hoping that once Ashley finally gets the fire started, they'll be scared away from the smoke. So we're really counting on her to survive here.
Yeah.
Okay, even Byron's having trouble, so we feel better.
Why is not starting?
Sushi for dinner, guys. We're just gonna eat our fish like the way that it
it's
is.
supposed to start. I don't know why it's not starting.
Ta-da! And we didn't even have to use the matches.
We used matches. All transparency. Things are wet around here. It rained a lot the other day, so we built a fire. We tried as hard as we could.
Listen, a lot of people can't even start a fire with matches, so we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I'll take it. Byron has taken sticks off the ground and then shaved them so that he could skewer these wild potato and pork sausages that we randomly found in Lapland.
Makkara.
Yeah, and we're going to grill them on the fire that we made. If this was a marshmallow, I'd probably burn it right away because I like burnt marshmallows. Ooh, look at that fish.
Oh, it flaked right off.
Yeah. Oh, that's so easy. The little spine will just come right out.
And if it's not salty enough, you can put more salt.
It's not super fishy. It just flakes right off the fish, which is delicious. Did a good job cooking them on the fire.
Thankfully, we survived today.
Yeah, this was super fun. I really enjoyed doing outdoorsy stuff like this.
I haven't done something like this in a long time, and I really enjoyed it. It reminds me of camping back home.
It's perfect in the summertime.
It's nice to, catch your own food and have someone else prepare it for the most part, and then have someone else cook it for the most part. And it's surviving off land. It's nice.
Yeah, this is luxury survival.
Luxury survival. I mean, we wouldn't have had as much food or been as comfortable had we not done the tasks well.
Yeah, but Byron's been great, taking good care of us.
Yeah. After spending all day surviving in Lapland, it's good to relax a little bit. So we've come to the hostel and cafe. We've got some gin and tonics from Finland.
Finnish gin, so nice.
Not bad.
Just chilling out on the rooftop in a private hot tub. It's a good thing we survived Finnish Lapland.
I don't know what we would have done if we had died. I was really looking forward to this hot tub experience. A huge shout out to all of our patrons who helped make this video possible. If you want to follow more, go to Instagram at WayAwayMag. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Way More, if you want to see way more from us.